live it up now, baby. But nothing feels the same. I'd rather be with you.
Hey guys, can't say welcome back because it's my first video. So welcome to something that has been in the making for a very long time. If you follow me on Instagram, which you should, okay, you would know that people have been asking me for a very long time to make a YouTube channel, and every time somebody asks, I say, oh, it's on the way, it's on the way, and it's been on the way for a good 2 years now. So we're finally here and we're starting this journey together, and I hope that it will be a very fun and fulfilling one because I've been wanting to do this for such a long time. So if you want to see how I got this look and you're interested in my little routine, go ahead and keep on watching. That feels good to say. Keep on watching. Okay guys, so starting off with skin prep, I'm going to be spraying my face with my Mario Badescu cucumber spray, and I drowned my face in this, of course. And then I'm going to be going in with my E.L.F Daily Hydration Moisturizer, and these two products together give my skin such a nice finish under my makeup. It's amazing. And then to top everything off, I'm going to be going in with another E.L.F product, and this time I'm using the E.L.F Poreless Face Primer. So now you guys just see me taking a towel and wiping off any excess product that may have gotten in my brows for easier application. And I didn't do my brows on camera today because they were just not cooperating, so I will be right back. So now we're back with brows and one eye done, and I'm just prepping for eyeshadow with my Colourpop concealer. And I only use this as a base because I don't really like it as a highlight on me. It's just not as full coverage as I'd like it to be, but as an eyeshadow base it works pretty good. Starting off with eyeshadow, I'm dipping into this very used golden ochre shade from my Modern Renaissance palette. And I do my brow bone color first. You can do your transition first. It's really just a preference. Now for my transition shade, I'm going to be using Raw Sienna, and then after that I'm going to dip into Burnt Orange with the same brush. And those are the only colors I'm going to be using in my crease today. In total, I only used about 3 shades on my eyes today because I really wanted the focus to be the glitter liner. So now I'm going in with the E.L.F Flawless Concealer Brush, and it's a concealer brush, but it's amazing at blending out eyeshadow, and there's absolutely no product on it. And then I took that Colourpop concealer again, and I didn't really cut the crease. I just laid it down as a base for the next shade I'm going to use, which is that golden ochre shade once again from the Modern Renaissance palette. Now don't drag me. I don't have a glitter liner, so I'm going to be doing it the old-fashioned way. So I'm laying down my NYX glitter primer, and then I'm taking this silver glitter and I'm going to lay that down right on top of that. And I got this glitter in a pack of 24 for $7 off of Amazon, so I'll be sure to link that down below. Going in with that glitter primer again, I'm just going to put it on my inner corner this time, and then I'm going to take this kind of iridescent pink. I don't know if I use that word right. Okay, yeah, but it's a pink, and I'm going to take that and put it in my inner corner. Now I'm going in with these lashes from Azeredo Cosmetics, and they're in the style Hollywood. And you guys, I love these so much. I wear them every time I do my makeup, like no joke. So go ahead and check them out, and if you do decide to purchase, you can use my code Javinia10 for some money off. Jumping into the face, today I'm going to be using one of my favorite foundations, not even drugstore, like favorite foundations period, and that is the Black Opal Stick Foundation in the shade Hazelnut. And I'm blending it out with this very broken E.L.F Ultimate Blending Brush, and this only costs about $2 to $3, so it's totally worth it because it blends out any foundation, liquid or stick, flawlessly. You only have to say, I'd rather be with you. For concealer, do I even have to say what I'm using? This is everybody's favorite concealer, and it is, of course, LA Girl Pro Concealer, and it is in the shade Fawn. And I do take it up along the sides of my nose a little high because I don't contour, and doing this still gives me that slimmer look. Now I'm going to let that concealer sit, and while I do that, I'm going to contour my face using my NYX Concealer Palette in the shade Deep.
I'd rather be with you. Then I look into his eyes.
Now I'm going in with yet another amazing brush from E.L.F. Like, okay, now, if you do not buy E.L.F. brushes at this point, you need to reevaluate your life. Like, come on now, get with the program, get with the winning team. But this is an E.L.F. blending brush, and I only use it for my contour because it just gets in there so perfectly, and it blends it out so flawlessly.
Though I try to trick myself, there's nobody else I'd rather be with you.
Now, because I like my highlight to be brighter than the sun, I'm going to go in with another concealer, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color 25 Medium. And if you're thinking to yourself right now, dang, that's a lot of makeup. It is, okay? I like full coverage, I like beat faces, and makeup is all about preference. So you can do a little bit or you can do a lot, whatever makes you happy. And a lot of makeup makes me happy.
But nothing feels the same. I'd rather be with you. Ooh. Then I look into his eyes and I realize I'd rather be with you. Ooh. Though I try to trick myself, there's nobody else I'd rather be with you. I stay out every night.
Now, this is a very important step in the makeup process. I'm taking my foundation brush and I'm blending my contour and my highlight together just so you don't see where anything ends or anything else starts. And this is really the key to making your face look seamless.
Though I try to trick myself, there's nobody else I'd rather be with you.
Now I'm going in with this black Radiance contour palette to set my cream contour, and I was so asleep on this, you guys. I only tried it like a couple weeks ago and I haven't been able to put it down since. Like, it's amazing. So I'm going to be putting that on my cheekbones where I put that cream contour, and I'm not going to take it across the whole forehead. I'm just going to put this on my temples. Now for setting the face, I'm using yet another favorite, and it is the Airspun translucent powder, and I am going to be baking with that, but I don't bake too long, only about 2 to 3 minutes.
Then I look into his eyes and I realize I'd rather be with you. Though I try to trick myself, there's nobody else I'd rather be with you.
Before I wipe away all that powder I'm baking with, I'm going to bronze up my face with this Covergirl Queen Collection bronzer in the shade Brown Bronze. And then after I'm finished with that, I am going to wipe away that bake. So now I'm going in with this BH Cosmetics Nude Blush Palette that I got at a Target for, I want to say $5 or $10. Either way, it was a steal. And I'm just going to be applying that with the E.L.F. stippling brush. Picking up my Mario Badescu spray again, I'm just going to give my face one last spritz of that just to blend all these powders on my face together. And then I'm going to be going in with that highlight shade from that Black Radiance palette for the first highlight, okay, the first one. And then I'm going to go on top of that with Precious Petals just to give me that like blinding glow.
Halfway up on the wings of a fantasy, looking out for love, didn't know what was good for me.
Last thing up is lips, and I'm going in with the nude lips today, and these are my two favorite shades for nude lips, and that is the Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in Limbo and in Chi. And I'm taking Limbo to outline, and I'm just going to put Chi in the middle of that.
Into his eyes and I realize I'd rather be with you. Ooh, though I try to trick myself, there's nobody else. I'd rather be with you. I'll stay out of your way and live it up, live it up, live it up, live it up now, baby. But nothing feels the same. I'd rather be with you.
Going in with the best gloss on the market, okay, this is not up for debate, and that is the Fenty Gloss Bomb. And you can see I'm like scraping the sides, like it's nothing in there, but I won't throw it away, I refuse. And then I'm gonna go on top of that with just a clear drugstore lip gloss. So we have come to the end of the video, and I hope that you enjoyed watching just as much as I enjoyed making it for you. I always have fun doing my makeup, and like I said before, this has been a long time coming, so I appreciate everyone who has been tolerating me up until this point. We're finally here, and all I need for you guys to do to help me on this journey is, you already know what I'm gonna say. You already know. Come on now. All I need you to do is subscribe, like, comment, and share this video so we can grow and we can become a big, huge family like we are on Instagram, okay? And I will see you guys in my next video. That feels good. In my next video. I will see you. Goodbye.